Ever feel like you're stuck in a financial hamster wheel? You know, that endless cycle where you work tirelessly yet never seem to get ahead? You work, you earn, you spend, and repeat. It's a never-ending loop that can feel incredibly frustrating and exhausting. It's like you're running in place, right? No matter how fast you go or how hard you try, you just can't seem to make any real progress. Society tells us to climb the corporate ladder, get that promotion, maybe buy a bigger house. These are the markers of success we're taught to strive for. But what if I told you there's a way to break free from that cycle entirely? Imagine a life where your money works for you instead of the other way around. In this video, I'm going to share 4 real estate secrets that can help you escape the financial hamster wheel and start building real wealth. These aren't just tips, they're strategies that have been proven to work. We're talking tangible assets, passive income, and the potential to achieve financial freedom faster than you ever thought possible. Real estate has the power to transform your financial future. The first secret is education. Understanding the real estate market, learning about investment strategies, and staying informed are crucial steps. Knowledge is power, and in real estate, it can be the key to unlocking your financial freedom. The second secret is networking. Building relationships with experienced investors, real estate agents, and financial advisors can provide you with invaluable insights and opportunities. Surround yourself with people who have the knowledge and experience you need. The third secret is due diligence. Before making any investment, thoroughly research the property, the market, and the potential returns. This careful analysis can help you make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. The fourth secret is patience. Real estate investments often take time to mature and generate significant returns. Stay committed to your strategy, and over time, you'll start to see the fruits of your labor. By applying these 4 secrets, you can break free from the financial hamster wheel and start living the life you've always dreamed of. Financial freedom is within your reach, and real estate can be the vehicle that gets you there. Let's talk about house hacking. This strategy is how I personally got started in real estate, and it's one of the most powerful ways to build wealth from day one. Imagine this. You buy a multi-unit property, a duplex, triplex, or even a fourplex. You move into one of the units and rent out the others. Now your tenants are essentially covering your mortgage. That's right. You're living practically rent-free while building equity in an appreciating asset. Plus, you're becoming a landlord, learning the ropes of real estate, and setting yourself up for massive long-term gains. It's a win-win-win. Now, maybe being a hands-on landlord isn't your thing. That's where traditional rentals come in. Buy a single-family home or condo in a high-demand rental area. You're looking for a property that will attract good tenants and generate consistent cash flow. Here's the key: hire a property manager. They handle everything from finding tenants and collecting rent to dealing with maintenance requests. You can sit back, relax, and watch the passive income roll in every month. It's like having your money work for you while you focus on other things. Number 3. Ready to take your real estate game to the next level? If you're looking for a way to maximize your investment returns and create a steady stream of income, then short-term rentals might be the perfect strategy for you. Imagine owning a property that not only appreciates in value over time, but also generates significant cash flow on a monthly basis. Sounds enticing, right? Let's dive into the world of short-term rentals and explore how you can unlock explosive cash flow with this lucrative investment approach. Let's talk about short-term rentals. These are properties that are rented out for short periods, typically ranging from a few days to a few weeks. Unlike traditional long-term rentals, where tenants sign leases for a year or more, short-term rentals cater to travelers, vacationers, and business professionals who need temporary accommodation. This model has gained immense popularity in recent years, thanks to the rise of online platforms that make it easy for property owners to connect with potential guests. Think Airbnb, VRBO platforms like that. These websites have revolutionized the way people find and book accommodations, offering a wide range of options from cozy apartments to luxurious villas. By listing your property on these platforms, you can reach a global audience and attract guests from all over the world. The key to success in the short-term rental market is to offer a unique and memorable experience that sets your property apart from the competition. Invest in a vacation home or city apartment in a tourist hotspot. Location is crucial when it comes to short-term rentals. Properties situated in popular tourist destinations, near major attractions, or in vibrant city centers tend to attract more bookings and command higher rental rates. Whether it's a beachfront villa, a mountain cabin, or a chic urban apartment, the right location can significantly impact your rental income and occupancy rates. Now, instead of renting to long-term tenants, you're catering to vacationers and short-term visitors. This shift in target audience opens up new opportunities for higher rental income and greater flexibility. You can adjust your rates based on demand, offering premium prices during peak seasons and special events. Additionally, short-term rentals allow you to maintain greater control over your property, as you can inspect it more frequently and address any maintenance issues promptly. The beauty of this is you can often charge 2 to 3 times the amount of traditional rent, especially during peak seasons. For example, a property that might rent for $1,500 per month on a long-term lease could potentially generate $3,000 to $4,500 per month as a short-term rental. This increased revenue can help you cover your mortgage payments, property taxes, and other expenses, while still leaving you with a healthy profit. This means faster cash flow, more flexibility, and you even get to use the property yourself when it's not booked. Imagine having a vacation home that you can enjoy with your family and friends without the financial burden of owning a second property. When you're not using it, you can rent it out to generate income, making it a win-win situation. Plus, the flexibility of short-term rentals allows you to adjust your availability based on your personal schedule and preferences. It's like owning your own vacation home that pays for itself. By strategically investing in short-term rentals, you can create a profitable and enjoyable real estate portfolio that offers both financial rewards and personal benefits. So, if you're ready to take your real estate game to the next level, consider the potential of short-term rentals and start exploring the exciting opportunities they offer. Number 4. Now, for those who want to build wealth quickly and without dealing with tenants or renovations, wholesaling is your secret weapon. Here's how it works. You find undervalued properties, often distressed or in pre-foreclosure. These properties are typically in need of significant repairs or are owned by individuals who are in financial distress and need to sell quickly. Instead of buying these properties yourself, which would require a substantial amount of capital and time, you get them under contract. This means you negotiate a deal with the seller to purchase the property at a discounted price, and then find a cash buyer to assign the contract to. This buyer is typically an investor looking for a good deal on a property they can fix up and sell for a profit. You're essentially acting as a middleman, connecting motivated sellers with eager buyers. Your role is to facilitate the transaction and ensure that both parties are satisfied with the deal. The best part? You don't need to invest your own money into the property. You're not using your own credit, taking out loans, or dealing with any of the headaches of traditional real estate transactions. This makes wholesaling an attractive option for those who are just starting out in real estate or who want to minimize their financial risk. The process is relatively simple and straightforward, but it does require some effort and knowledge. You'll need to be able to identify good deals, negotiate with sellers, and find reliable cash buyers. It's fast, it's profitable, and it's a fantastic way to build capital quickly in the real estate market. With the right approach and a bit of hard work, you can start making money in real estate without ever owning a property. So, if you're looking for a way to get into real estate investing without the usual barriers, wholesaling might just be the perfect strategy for you. It's a proven method that has helped many investors achieve financial success and build their wealth over time. To get started, you'll need to educate yourself on the local real estate market and understand the needs of both sellers and buyers. Networking with other real estate professionals can also be incredibly beneficial. Building a strong network of contacts will help you find deals more easily and connect with potential buyers. Additionally, having a good understanding of real estate contracts and legal requirements is essential to ensure that your transactions go smoothly. As you gain experience, you'll become more adept at identifying profitable opportunities and negotiating favorable terms. Over time, you can build a reputation as a reliable wholesaler, which will make it easier to find deals and attract buyers. Remember, the key to success in wholesaling is persistence and dedication. The more effort you put into finding and closing deals, the more successful you'll be. So start learning, start networking, and start wholesaling your way to real estate profits. So there you have it, 4 powerful real estate secrets that can help you escape the financial hamster wheel and start building real wealth. Remember, real estate isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a get-rich-for-sure system if you play smart. The wealthiest families in the world built fortunes through property. Will you? Your move. Which strategy would you start with? List in comment below.